I think part of our responsibility in the schools for Remembrance Day is to continue to have students connect to our past and our future through the honoring of our veterans, the soldiers who never came home, and understanding the stories of those people. And I think it's through the story that children will be able to understand the person that went off to fight for our freedoms. Today we're engaging in a Remembrance Day walking tour. So they will walk in and they will have a video montage that they watch, and then it's a silent and somber occasion, and so we want to reflect that in the environment. They'll get to see some of the pictures of soldiers from the First World War from Langley, and learn a little bit more about them and part of our history in the local context. It's a personal tie, and I think most families have some sort of personal tie to a family member that went off to war, hoping that those stories continue to live on for forever, really.